been a long winter. Some might argue it's still here, but guess what? It is spring, and think we could all use some help with antioxidants. Please welcome the Podleski sisters. It is Janet and Greta to show us, and I know you can't smell it, but we can, their hurry curry. So this is curry in a hurry. Why is it important that you make dishes like curry at this time of year?
We've all been cooped up over the winter months, and we know that we are complaining about our skin because of the cold weather, and this is the time where you want to spring into summer, literally, with foods that are loaded with antioxidants. A lot of people don't realize that spices are like the power medicine, and they're almost better in a way than a lot of concoctions that you can put on your face. Some spices have more antioxidants than fruits and vegetables.
We always say that for healthy cooking, a well-stocked spice rack is a must. I don't think you're whipping together too many healthy gourmet meals if you open your cupboard and it's salt, pepper, and garlic powder, right?
Yeah.
And you know, I know spices can get expensive, but just collect them. Try one new spice every month and figure out what to do with it.
Right.
So we're going to show you something that's very fragrant. It has a lot of the spices Janet was talking about, but the best part about it is it's dinner in 15 minutes, but it looks, tastes, smells like it came from a gourmet restaurant.
Okay, I believe you.
Definitely serve it to company, for sure.
This is Thai red coconut curry halibut. Okay,
nice.
So good way to get fish into your diet.
Lean piece of fish there, a nice white fish, and a ton of spices. I think the other thing about spices is that you can eat really healthy and always feel like you're getting a ton of flavor.
That's right.
A ton of flavor.
Right?
You're supercharging your food with adding 0 calories.
Right.
What more can you want?
You know what's amazing about our recipes? A lot of people say, you know, I read the recipe and I saw the combination of ingredients and I thought, that's weird, like that's not going to work. And then they make it and they say it's so flavorful, and it's because we really use a lot of spices.
Okay.
Right? So I have red onions chopped really fine here. You could use shallots if you wanted, cooking in some coconut oil.
And this is my favorite beauty regimen, a secret ingredient. If you're not using coconut oil to cook with, you've got to do it now because it's very good in high heat. But I use it on my skin. It's a great moisturizer. And when you put it on your,
I put it all over my body.
See that?
When you put it on your skin,
put it all over
my body.
You do. You can. You know, it's great because it's like a nicotine patch. You put it on, it's going to go in your pores and into your bloodstream.
You can use it for hand lotion.
And a lot of people don't
rubbing it in, and your skin's going to be beautiful. Not that it wasn't before.
A lot of people
I smell
don't
like coconuts. You want to eat
it? It's delicious.
Smell that.
See, I love the smell. You know, my problem is I always put it on my legs before I go to bed. But the problem is my dog sleeps in my bed. I know he's not supposed to, and he starts licking my legs to get the coconut off.
You get a little tickle. That's nice.
But coconut oil is fat.
Okay,
it's
so
fat
this is
burning and it's
all about
antifungal
coconut
too.
everything right now, and
Yes,
I'm sort of like, is this a fad? What's going
coconut.
on?
It's not a fad.
It's really good for you.
It's an ancient thing that's coming back, and it's great for cooking. So we're starting the recipe with that.
Now I've added 2 teaspoons of freshly grated ginger root, another amazing spice.
Oh, yeah. You can
a
smell that,
teaspoon
too.
of curry powder. Now the reason I'm adding it dry, a lot of people add it after they've added wet ingredients, is I like to wake them up. This is what I call waking them up. I don't know how long they've been in the jar, and I find when you heat them, it makes them more flavorful. So I'm just gonna mix the curry and coriander powder.
Coriander is very much like cinnamon. It helps to steady your blood sugar. So for people that want to lose weight, this is a great spice to add to your cooking.
Okay. Now in goes the 1 cup of coconut milk. You can use regular or light. I'm using the light here. It's up to you. The regular obviously has more fat, but we're not using a lot to make 4 portions.
Yeah.
And also it's a little bit stronger coconut. So if you're a fan of coconut, use the regular. If you want it a little bit more subtle, use the light.
Okay.
And here's that Thai red curry paste I was talking about.
What's in that, Greta?
Well, it's crushed red chilies, ginger, lemongrass, like all the things you love, all in a paste. And this is just in the spice section of your grocery store. Not hard to find, I promise you. I'm using a tablespoon, which is kind of a lot. That's going to add a lot of heat.
Now, do you like using the paste because it's just, it's more concentrated? Like you get way more flavor in the paste than you do in the other spices, don't you? The dry spice?
Yeah, well it's the combination of flavors that makes the red curry paste so special.
Okay.
And what I like is you buy it in a little jar, it's not very expensive, and you keep it in your fridge. You can keep it for months and months and months.
You don't have to go around buying all of the individual spices, right?
I squeezed lime juice in there from 1 lime, and I'm just going to add a tiny bit of sugar. You could use any kind you want. Coconut sugar, again, is something that we like.
I've never even heard of that.
You haven't?
Coconut sugar?
And it doesn't taste like coconut.
It looks like brown sugar, and it's really low on the glycemic index, so it's great for diabetics. And for people that just want to cut back on sugar, you'll find it at most health food stores now.
Okay, so I'm whisking that around. Can you smell how amazing this is
I can
starting?
smell it. We're all
The
smelling it.
ginger,
They're drooling.
The curry, the coconut.
I was saying, if you brought 80 samples, we could feed them.
Okay. Brought them in her purse.
We'll cut those up for you later.
That's right. So all I'm doing now is I'm just going to let this reduce a little bit by boiling it so that it gets a little bit thicker.
Okay.
And adding some cilantro. You could use basil here too, but I like cilantro.
And
in this
cilantro
dish.
is another good beauty herb because it's got the dark green, which means it's loaded with vitamin K. That's excellent for anti-wrinkle and also good for your bones.
Do you put it all over your skin too?
No, Greta does. When
Just
she's
checking.
on top of the coconut oil. Yeah.
I do. I can't believe everybody doesn't slather coconut oil all over
I
their
am
body.
from now on if I'm going to look like you at the end.
Okay.
I'm going home tonight to put that whole thing on my body.
Okay. I put it on my face.
On your face too.
I put it,
But do you have dry? Are you dry? Are you oily?
in the winter, my face is dry. I put
'Cause I'm
coconut
super
oil
dry.
on it
I would put that on my
before I
face.
go to bed and just rub it in. It'll go away. It's not greasy, but your dog might lick your face. But that's okay.
Well, it's better than Janet licking your hand.
Or Tracy licking my face.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so I
All
have
better
4
combinations
halibut
than that.
fillets here. Boneless, skinless, beautiful, about 5 ounces. I'm putting them right in that sauce we made. I'm going to spoon the sauce over top.
So they're going to pick up the flavor.
Oh, it's honestly, it's just so easy, and it really does taste fancy and gourmet, and it's so healthy.
Yeah.
And Tracy, this is a good way to eat if you want to stay slim, is to have protein that's lean
Right.
and something that's green. So adding some maybe asparagus stalks or just something, a green salad, a good combination.
Yeah, this
Right.
is actually a great piece of fish to put with quinoa, or a flavor combination that would be good would be jasmine or basmati. We have it with some edamame here, but
Very nice.
we always make sure that at every meal, like Janet said, it's lean protein and something green. If your plate doesn't have something green on it, try to get something green on there.
Yeah, you're in trouble. So we all know the halibut doesn't take a long time to cook.
7 minutes cooked.
And
then
there's
you're
no
eating dinner.
cream in that sauce, which I think
No.
is so great.
No,
because
but
it
it's-
looks like a thick, substantial, creamy sauce, but it's not. It is all healthy. Thank you so much, sisters.
Yum.
You've got the
That's
final product right there, and we're
That's
putting it on our
lovely.
website at cityline.ca. Let's go to break. Stay with us. That looks amazing.